So today in this video, I'm going to walk you guys step-by-step guide on how you can perform arbitrage. So what is arbitrage? Arbitrage is you buying low and sell where it's high. So I'm going to show you guys how you can perform this arbitrage from one exchange to another exchange. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the video notification. Our goal is for you to take this channel from 142 subscribers to 1000 subscribers. And also check on this video description, you are going to see our official Telegram group where we offer signals on the new listed token, so which you can see plus 818% that was made from our user who took our signal. And also in this group we offer our crypto bot services, right? Our crypto trading bot services who enable you to trade the crypto market without you not lifting a finger or opening or close trade on yourself. So this bot is going to do everything for you. It's fully automated. So over here which you can see $948,000 was made with this bot for our user over here. So let's move in, right? So we are going to use this exchange called Bitmart, right? And we are going to use this token called DEOD USDT right over here. So what we are going to do over here, if you can see, DEOD is at 0.008730 in Bitmart. So let's head over to our Mexi exchange over here. So which you can see DEOD is at 0.009192, right? Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, you can see the price has changed to 2. So right, so what we are going to do here, so we are going to head back to our Bitmart over right here. So let's say for instance that we want to use $200 to get this Bitmart. So right, so let me impute $200, so which you can see it gives us 22,773 DEOD USDT, right? So now let's say for instance now I'm going to copy this 22,773 DEO, then I will head back to my Mexi exchange, right? So which you can see, so over right here what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to come to sell, right? So once I come to sell, let me say for instance I paste the amount over here, so which you can see it gives me $209.0789913 right over right here. Now I know a lot of you will be asking, what about the charges, right? So we are coming to that. So that is why it's good for you to stick to this to the end of this video. So all right, so now remember that we use $200 for we to get 22,773 DEOD, right? Okay, let me copy this. So now I'm going to head to asset. So let me head to asset. So let me click on it. So I click on asset, and I'm going to go to withdraw. So once I go to withdraw, I'm going to search for the token. This is DEOD, right? So you can see send via crypto network. So I'm going to click on send via crypto network. So you can also see a network, select network. So right, so we are going to select the network. Okay, so which you can see we have two network over here. We have BSC, we have Matic Polygon, right? So in this case I'm going to use BSC, that is Bet20, because the fee is lesser than Metric Polygon, right? So if you can see over here, the fee in Bet20 is just 12 DEOX, and you can see the fee in Metric is 168 DEOX. So I'm going to use, that is Bet20. all right, so let's paste the amount. So you can see if you minus the 12 DEOX, we are left with 22,761 DEOD, right? And also remember, once you are doing this transaction, if you are using BSC, the network you are going to receive the funds or the money should be BSC. If not, you are going to lose your funds. Now I'm going to head over to Mexi exchange, right? So over here, which you can see, this is Mexi exchange. So let me paste the amount, right? So if I paste the amount now, okay, let's wait for it. So I'm going to paste the amount, which is 22,761 DEOX, and you can see it gives us $200 and $8, right? 0.9 cent. That is how it is, and that is how it's simple. So if you learned something in this video, make sure you subscribe on